Foreign institutional investors or the FIIs are the entities outside India who invest in Indian stock market on behalf of the foreign corporates, individuals or funds. Domestic institutional investors are the Indian mutual fund houses, banks and insurance companies who invest on behalf of Indian retail and corporate investors. Both FII and DII invest large sum of money and hence they do thorough research using expert teams before investing in a stock. They have access to detailed information and reports about the stock which normal retail investors may not have access to. When FII and DIIs invest or increase their investment in a stock, that shows their confidence in the stock. And similarly, when they sell or reduce their investment in a stock, that indicates some issue with the stock or they might have lost confidence in the future of the stock. Therefore, retail investors often follow the buying and selling information of FIIs and DIIs to do their investments accordingly. Among FII and DII related information, FII information is more critical as these are investors who have option to invest in multiple countries and in several stocks, and hence they do thorough research before doing it. So if they had shown interest in a stock in India, that should be really positive for the stock. Watch this video to understand how to pick the right stock based on the FII and DII information. Welcome to Save and Invest Smartly. Let us use Trendline to check the FII and DII information about a stock. Most of the features in this website are free and sufficient for beginner investors for their stock analysis. Go to trendline.com. You may sign in using your Google credentials. Once you log in, on the right top corner, you will see a search box. You may key in the name of the stock that you want to analyze here. Let me take Infosys for example. Type Infosys in the search box. From the search results, pick up the right one that we want. This will take you to the overview page of the stock. Now click on the submenu Shareholding. Scroll down a little to check the shareholding information. The FII holding is 31% in Infosys. The DII holding is shown as mutual funds 13.7% and other institutions 11%. Further, just below the shareholding pie chart, you will see the FII and DII holdings information for last 9 quarters. Based on these two charts, we see that there is no significant change in both FII and DII holdings in Infosys in last 9 quarters. If the FII and DII holdings increase significantly in a stock in recent quarters, then that is a good signal as it shows that the institutional investors have shown confidence on that stock after a detailed research. Hence, the stock price might go up significantly in near future. Let us see how to identify such stocks using the screener. Before we pull the list of such stocks, I request you to show your support for our channel by liking, commenting, and sharing this video. I post regular videos on personal finance and stock market investing on this channel. Please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss those videos. Now let us go back to our topic. In the menu bar, click on Screeners. Scroll down a little and you will see a button Create New Screener. Click on this. This will open up the query window where you can write the query for screening the stocks as per your criteria. We would like to get the list of all stocks in which FII holdings have increased in recent quarters. Let's write the criteria for that. Just type in FII. As you type in, you will see all the relevant options that you can use. Select FII holding change 4 quarter percent and give the criteria as greater than 10%. Click on Try this query to execute. This will bring up the list of all stocks where the FII holdings increased by 10% in last 4 quarters. There are 15 stocks in this list. Let me sort as per the market capitalization to have the bigger companies on top. Let us check the shareholding pattern of HDFC Life Insurance Company. The current FII holding is 21%, and the mutual funds and other institutions together hold around 6%. On the bottom, you can see that the FII holdings increased from 10.5 to 21% in last 4 quarters. Even the DII holdings have increased slightly. As FII increased their stake in recent times in the stocks, you may research further about the stock to invest in it. If you come down a little and click on institutional holdings, you may even see the complete details about who are those FII and DII who hold stake in HDFC Life Insurance Company. When you click on the last tab, Mutual Fund Monthly Holdings, you will be able to see in detail which are those mutual funds that invest in this stock and how much did they buy and sell in recent months. FII information is more useful than the DII information in picking the right stock for investment. Hence, always give preference to FII information when shortlisting the stocks. But if you still want to screen for stocks based on DII information, then you may use the mutual fund parameters in the screener query. Type MF and select MF holding change 4 quarter percent and give the condition as greater than 10%. Execute the query. This brings up list of 3 stocks. Let us sort as per the market cap. Check the shareholding of Crompton Greaves. The mutual funds hold close to 25%. On the bottom, you will see that DII shareholding has increased significantly in recent quarters. This is a good sign for the stock considering FII holding is also good and stable. Hope you have now understood how to check the FII and DII holdings yourself and pick the right stock for investment based on it. Please subscribe for more such useful videos to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Thank you, friends.